Going on YouTube? It's July 12th, 2018. Just want to make a quick little video on two things here. One of them being Kucoin exchange. Just updated a few things, a couple of upgrades, and the Robinhood app, if anyone knows about the Robinhood app. So starting out here with the total market cap here. It's 248 bill, so it's down from like 275, I want to say 2 weeks ago. No significant losses today, a couple of sixes, pretty much all single digits. Biggest loss mixing 16%. Everything else, like I said, single digits and down. Biggest gainers, Bitcoin Gold 10%. Couple of single digits there. 2 days ago or 3 days ago now, Kucoin exchange went up about 14%, and then the next day about 7% or something like that. And for the reason being, they upgraded their bonus. So if you don't have Kucoin exchange, I think it's a pretty decent exchange. I like Binance and Kucoin are my two favorite, but I use Kucoin a lot more. They each have coins the others don't, so it's good to have 2 or 3 different ones. The Kucoin bonus, the reason I liked it was because you used to get people sign up on your link. It's kind of a referral thing, just like Binance has. But with Kucoin, you used to get tiny fractions of other coins. So you may get a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Litecoin, and it's small, like 0.0001, whatever. But it adds up over time, and the more Kucoin shares you have, the more KCS you have. It gives you a lot more. So if you have 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, each day you'll be getting a little bit, obviously a different number. The more you have, the more you get. So that was when they first came out, which was like last year. I want to say it's about September when I first started with them, and I bought a bunch, and they were like 30 cents each, 36 cents or something. I think I bought it. And then back in December, January, when everything rallied up to Bitcoin hit 20K, Binance coin was at like $20 a coin, and Kucoin jumped up to about $20 a coin. And Kucoin and Binance coin were about pretty neck and neck in total market cap. They were neck and neck in the price, high price. I want to say, I think they were both at like 20, 22 bucks each. And I even made a video, if you go back to my older videos, and I made a video saying, which one would win, which one would be better than the other. Well, let's just say since then, Binance is like at 1.4 billion, and Kucoin went back down to about 250 million. So it's a significant change. Obviously, more people stayed with Binance. A lot of people got out of Kucoin or traded or changed, whatever the case was. So one of the hits also, obviously it's been a bear market. Everything's been taking a hit. Especially even Bitcoin is at like 6,200 right now, or it was 6,100 earlier today, 6,253 right now. So even so then what happened was they got rid of the referral program for Kucoin bonus, and I seen the price go down a lot, because like I said, that was one of the reasons where personally for me I liked Kucoin, because you were getting fractions of shares. So they didn't get rid of the daily bonus, which is this one here, the Kucoin bonus, but they got rid of the referral bonus. So the invitation bonus. So you can invite someone, that person will be able to invite someone, and then it will go down a 3rd level. So it's not like 10-level multi-level marketing or anything like that. It's pretty much fees. So the trading fee of the person you invited, you'd get, I think it was 40% or 20% of the fee that they paid to Kucoin would be shared with you, and so forth and so forth. So they removed that, and that's been gone for, I want to say, I don't know, a while. So a few months, 6 months, 8 months or something like that. So then finally, sometime this summer, I don't remember exactly when, I want to say June or something like that, they brought it back. Or maybe before that. But, they brought it back, and they said it's going to be active for another year from when they activated it. So then price went up a little bit, and then, like I said, we're still in a bear market. Price went all the way down to about $1.76, and I got interested, and I said, hey, well, this looks like a good price to buy more. It went up to $20 once, neck and neck with Binance coin, with the BNB token. Let me get some more, you know. So I got some more. So then once they, so this was on the 10th. So what, 2 days ago? So I'll just read it. As Kucoin's native token, Kucoin shares KCS offers key features and benefits to holders and is the currency of the Kucoin ecosystem. We will be upgrading our bonus program for KCS holders to show appreciation to our users. Based on feedback from users, because they had a little survey, and I never got that survey actually, but sometimes, you know, I'm not checking the market every day. Sometimes I am every single day, kind of like an addiction, but you know, sometimes I'll take a day or two off where I don't even really check much. I'll check my blockfolio, maybe coin market cap, but that's, you know, not much depending on how busy my day is. So they wanted to increase the inherited value of KCS to bring the most benefits to loyal holders. Kucoin plans to upgrade the Kucoin bonus starting July 10th. To accomplish this, we will be using 50% of all the trading fees earned by Kucoin to buy back the KCS token from the market and redistribute the KCS back to users as a new Kucoin bonus, replacing the old one. Like I said, the old one you would get tiny fractions of other cryptos, and the word that they use here is a funny word. It's what it feels like, what it felt like for some coins. Now the cheap coins, you know, you may get 10 of a penny coin, 10 cents. But if it was Bitcoin, you're still getting 10 cents of Bitcoin, which is nothing. But you know, like I said, that all depends on how many KCS tokens you have. So furthermore, all Kucoin bonus moving forward will be given to users in KCS, not dust of other cryptocurrency. Like that's what it kind of, you know, you got sprinkled a little bit of dust of Bitcoin, a little dust of Ethereum, which was fine. You know, I think it was fine. And like I said, the more KCS you had, the bigger, the more dust you got. And it also gave you every single coin that was there. So there was some coins that I cared about, and I'm like, cool, I'm getting some tiny fractions, or I call them tiny fractions, they call it dust, of coins that I do like. And then it's like, you know, you're getting tiny fractions or dust of coins I never cared about or never heard of, or they just added, which I said was fine as well. You know, why not? You can always trade it down the line when it became something, or you had enough to get rid of, or whatever the case is. So we believe this will simplify our Kucoin bonus system and fit better with our users' expectations and wants. So you must have the minimum of 6 KCS, and the bonus is released at 0000 UTC plus 8 each day. And when this was announced, like I said, that first day it went up to 15%. Then the next day I think it went up about 7 or 9%. And so now it went up to, I think, a total of 350 was the high that it went to. And then now it kind of dipped a little bit after that, but if I look it up here, it's at 331. So, you know, which is still good. Like I said, I bought a bunch more at 170, and my initial investments were at 32, 36 cents, around there. But I believe in the token, and it's actually at rank 42 now because it's getting more money into the exchange. I remember, like I said, it was neck and neck with Binance at like 24, 25, 26. And Kucoin would beat it. The next day Binance would beat it, and I was just pretty much and I made a video. It was a short video, kind of comparing them and, you know, which one would be the winner. Now obviously, like, Binance has grown to such an astronomical growth, and I think Kucoin can reach that. But you know, it definitely took the cake. Both in market cap and moving to Malta and all these big things that they're doing and stuff like that. So, you know, I only hope Kucoin would jump up, would become what Binance is right now, and Binance will be even bigger than it is now. So that's that one there. And also this is the new website of Kucoin. It looks way better and way smoother than it used to be. It used to be kind of like pretty weak looking. You know, everything is up here. Now it has this little scrolling thing. It tells you all the different things. So I like these little promotions too. If you go to their Twitter, like, all you have to do is retweet. Obviously they want to retweet it because they want you to share it and other people to join the exchange. But you kind of retweet, you know, whatever they have. Every time they're going to list a new coin, you know, no matter what it is, you retweet it, and then amongst everyone who retweets it, so it could be thousands of people, they'll split, you know, whether it's 12 BTC or 4 BTC or even 1 Bitcoin or whatever, 12 Ethereum, whatever the case is, and they'll split that with everyone who's retweeted. There's a way for them. You have to fill out a form. There's a way for them. So I've gotten a bunch of little handouts through there, you know, it's pretty cool, I think. there was one where they had a Ferrari being given out for the most trading of X amount of coin, different coins. That's another thing. Every time they add an different thing, it's just like Binance, pretty much the promotions that they have. So if you know Binance, then I shouldn't really have to explain much further than that. But just if you ever use Kucoin, like the site looks way better now. It's way more crisp. It's a lot better. They also updated the security, so now they finally have the know your customer, and you know, things like that. So the app, when I first downloaded the app for Android, it was kind of buggy. I didn't really like it. I haven't even installed it ever since then. I'm fine with just using it on the website. Yeah, so you know, and then they have the promotions here on the side, and then they have the announcements and the change logs and stuff like that. So I'm really liking the Kucoin exchange, and I just hope it keeps growing. If you're not on the Kucoin exchange, I'll leave a referral link there on the bottom. So now I want to talk about a app called Robinhood. So if you've never heard of Robinhood, it's a stock trading. So I got Robinhood, I want to say about 2.5 or 3 years ago, or I don't know, something like that. And it's a no fee trading for stocks. So, and you don't need a minimum investment of like $500 or $5,000 or whatever the case is, like these other things like E-Trade or whatever. And you know, you trade big stocks. You trade, you know, whether it's Amazon or Costco or you know, GoPro or whatever the hell it is, Twitter. You know, you can buy. You can start with $10. Like what I started doing was putting $10, $10, 20, 20, 50, and I kind of bought a few, you know, shares here and there and here and there. And then I got into penny coins, excuse me, not penny coins, penny stocks, and started trying to trade, you know, buy 100,000 like coins that are like fractions of a penny, you know, and make a little bit of profit like that, almost like cryptos nowadays. But this was before I really knew cryptos. I got introduced to cryptos about 2 years ago. So, you know, Robinhood, the only thing about Robinhood a lot of people don't like is, for one example, the FDIC insurance is only up to 500 grand. So if you're like a millionaire is not going to use this and put $1 million or $2 million in it, because you're only insured up to 500K. So for like small timers, you know, like myself, obviously, I'm not going to have 500K in here. You know, that's perfect. So why am I bringing up Robinhood? Because they're finally introducing Robinhood crypto, which I heard about probably 6 months or a long time ago, pretty much like maybe 6 months ago. And I signed up for like an early release version. And I also found this video I'm gonna play here, at least the beginning of it, on CNBC talking about crypto, and it'll give you a few statistics on it and mention it. But I think it's pretty cool because, like I said, on the Robinhood,
Cash have been added. They joined Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Robinhood launched these crypto trading services back in February. Robinhood says their crypto platform is available in 17 U.S. states, but they expect it to be available in all of the states by the end of 2018. Now, there's certainly no shortage of these platforms to trade cryptocurrencies. You all know that. There's the largest U.S.-based platform, that's Coinbase, of course, but there's dozens of others out there, including Kraken, Poloniex, Bitfinex, Bittrex, both in and out of the United States. Any difference between these platforms? To me, the most important thing today is that Robinhood really offers a no-fee trading service. That's quite remarkable. Coinbase can charge almost 4%. Many of the other exchanges charge 25 to 50 basis points. Robinhood seems to be hoping that they'll get more customers in the door for other kinds of trades. They're likely selling those orders, by the way, to market makers and collecting some kind of fee. Now, whether Robinhood, which is an app that appeals primarily to more casual traders, can pull in serious crypto traders, that's the issue. It remains to be seen. The other platforms charge fees, but they're used, frankly, by more serious traders. Regardless, it's good news in general for everyone involved in the community, because they're likely to see a bit more downward pressure on the fee structure overall. Keep in mind, this moves into the crypto space come even as Bitcoin continues to sell off. Remember, it's down more than 50% this year. Back to you, Melissa.
All right, Bob. Thanks, Bob Pisani. Were you surprised, BK, that there wasn't a better reaction in the price of Bitcoin?
It's funny. It goes.
Yeah, so like pretty neat, you know. Like I said, I don't consider myself a newbie trader. I'm definitely not an experienced trader, but you know, I'm hoping to become an fully experienced trader investor and all that. So, and you can watch the video. You can get early access. If you click get early access, it sends you down to put in your email address. It'll notify you when it's available in your state. Purple means it's in your state, and green it's not, or maybe it's vice versa. I'm not even sure, but yeah, 17 states. There's a video. You can watch the video. So I got, I had the app, like I said, I had the original Robinhood app, which is all green. This one's purple. And it's pretty neat. I like it. Like I said, you can watch. You also get news. Like anytime there's a new news article referring to whichever stock you're interested in or on your watch list, it'll show up there. You get instant access to your funds. So like if I sell my money, it'll be there the next day, and goes right into your bank account. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can, you put the money. It goes right into your bank account, and then there's actually another version of Robinhood. I think it's Gold, which it's a little riskier because you can take out loans. Like let's say you only put $500 in the app, but you can use like $2,000 to buy or trade with. And obviously I don't like to do that because if you lose money, then you owe them. But that's also an option. Secure and trusted, and there's an insurance disclosure to read there. And like I said, there's a place to see your FDIC. Like I read some of the small print, and it's only insured up to $500,000, which is why they said it's really for like casual traders and not like your more serious millionaire traders and stuff like that, or investors. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. If you're interested in the Robinhood app, I'm gonna leave a link below. Just by signing up with that link, you're gonna get a random piece of stock. I'm not sure of the value, and I'll also get the same amount that you get. I'll get in whatever stock that is, and I also have a Kucoin bonus link on the bottom. Kucoin exchange link on the bottom, which, like I said, I've been using Kucoin since it came out. So I have a nice little amount of referral people under me. But it it always helps because you can always share it with your friends, and they can share it with their friends, and you get up to like level 3. And of course the fees are less. Like I think it starts at 20% and then down to like 12 and then 8 or something like that. Not exactly too sure. They just changed it a little bit as well. So that's pretty much all I have right now. If we want to go back to the market cap before I finish it here, 248. Bitcoin down 1.8%, so it's pretty holding steady at 6K-ish. We'll see. I don't know. Some people, is it going under 5? Some people, is it going up? I really don't know. I guess only time will tell. I have a little bit of money put aside, so if it hits under 5, I'll put a little bit in. So yeah, that's all I have there. Let me know what you think about Robinhood crypto, Kucoin. If you've used it before, let me know what you think about the new bonus system. Instead of getting little fractions of coins, you actually just get more KCS. And I did like the old system, like I said, because you're getting a bit of NEO, you're getting a bit of gas, you're getting a bit of Bitcoin, you're getting a bit of every single coin that they have in the exchange, as opposed to just KCS. So, that was always valuable. Like getting gas, NEO, Litecoin, all of that was always pretty valuable. So getting Kucoin shares, if the price goes up, it's valuable. But if the price of Kucoin share goes back to 170, then it's not going to really be valuable. But like I said, it was once $22 or something like that. Then matter of fact, I can check that out right before I end this video. What was the all-time high? So I want to say here 1908. No, $20.61. And then if we go to the Binance coin, which is down now to 12, it was 23.68 or something like that, about 23. So yeah, like I said, they were pretty neck and neck in both market cap and total price, or all-time high price. But as you can see, Binance stuck to 12, and then Kucoin dropped all the way down to $1.78, and now it's back up to 3.3. So, but it does look like it's starting to get a little upbeat. I don't know. Like I said, I think it's because of the upgrade system and whatnot. So yeah, it's been real. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll leave my referral links on the bottom. I'll see you on the next one. My name is Gil, aka the Crypto Veteran, and not because I'm a veteran trader, but because I was in the military over 10 years ago, so I'm a veteran there. So you guys have a good one, and I'll see you. Maybe I'll make a video tomorrow or the following day. Peace.